Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to unbox this Parrot teleprompter. This is the Padcaster. This version fits like a mobile phone size screen. So we're going to open this box and then we're going to give it a quick setup and see it in action. Okay, so let's take a look inside this box. Got the user manual here, the warranty card, got this little bag which we'll open in a minute. This looks like it's the actual unit itself. So this is the thing that actually fits onto the camera lens. Take a look at that in a minute. Have a look inside here. There's a whole heap of step-up rings. So this will fit on a variety of different lens types or lens diameters on the front. We'll go and fit one of these in a minute. And in here, we've got a little remote control. So you can use this, I think, while you're playing back the text that you want to read out on the teleprompter. There's a little separate user manual for that. Right, so let's get rid of this box. Here's all the setup instructions here. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this dust cover. I think this just slides out, does it? And out of the box it comes with this mounting ring here. This is the 58mm mounting ring. So this won't fit on this lens, so I'm going to have to use one of these other mounting rings. And you can see, get a whole heap of these mounting rings, which is really nice. You don't have to go and buy extra ones. I'll put on the screen here all of the different rings that come out of the box, just so you can see if your lens is supported out of the box or not. So on this lens that I'm filming on at the minute, we're going to need the 82mm. Let's try and find that. So essentially what's going to happen is we're going to screw this ring onto the camera lens. This ring is going to slide in here, and then this is the front of the teleprompter. So you can see that's where the lens shows through. You can see these little springs inside here. What happens is this thing pushes down like this, and then you essentially like wedge your phone in there, and then the springs hold it in place. So the screen is going to sit here. It's going to reflect the text up onto this mirror, and then the mirror is going to come out the front. So let's go and get this set up on this camera. First thing to do is screw on this ring. And then the ring just slots in here, like so. In this little Ziploc bag here, we've got the cleaning kit. We'll take a quick look at that. So it's nice that it comes with a little cleaning kit. That's a nice little addition. And I'm assuming this is cleaning cloth. Let's just have a look. Nice little branded cleaning cloth there. And this is like a little cleaning pen, I think. Next thing we need to do is install the Parrot teleprompter app. So I'm just going to go and do that. Okay, that's the app installed. And basically this app just lets you load in the scripts that you want to read. So the app's loaded and there's this quick start script preloaded into the app. So you can go and click the play button here, but remember we've got this remote control. So if we just hit play, see what happens? Nothing, because we've probably got to pair it with the Bluetooth on the phone. So apparently we've got to press this little connecting button here. So I'm just going to use a pencil to do this. Make sure I turned it on here first. Now it's flashing. We just have to connect it on the phone now. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but Bluetooth remote controller has showed up. So I'm just going to tap that. And now the remote is connected here. So we'll go back to the Padcaster app. Now hopefully if we press the play button here, it should start playing back the script. Okay, so the play button didn't do anything, but the OK button seems to start the teleprompter, as you can see here. If I hit the OK button again, it stops it. So that's a bit unintuitive, the fact that the play button doesn't actually play. But I think you can use this as a remote control just for your iPhone. So I'm guessing if we press this back button, it goes back to the main menu here. And the add button lets you add a script. So we'll just call the file name. I'm not quite sure how I'm supposed to enter a file name when the keyboard doesn't show up. Okay, so that's not great. I'm going to try restarting the app, see if that fixes it. Okay, let's try again. Just open the app again. Click the add button. Yeah, for some reason, not getting any keyboard. So that's not a great start, is it? Okay, so now we've got a little warning message. Please disconnect remote to access on-screen keyboard. Okay, so how do we disconnect the remote? Probably just turn it off on the back here. Try again. Still no keyboard. Oh, there we go. So I'll go and create a quick script. Click save. Now I've got this test script here. I can hit that and then hit the play button, and then it scrolls across or scrolls down just like a teleprompter. So that's how to set up the Parrot Podcaster teleprompter, and in fact I'm reading from a script I just typed in. My phone is sitting under the lens, and as this text is scrolling up and as I'm reading it, I can pause it with the remote and then start again. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel today and turn on notifications so you don't miss a future video. See ya!